All right, guys, we got a Toyota Corolla 2019. This is a 2.0 liter engine. On this video, we're gonna put the block heater, engine block heater right here, because in Canada we need to have a block heater on our vehicle, because when it's below minus 18 or minus 20 Celsius, this engine is gonna be cold, so we need to plug it in to keep it warm so that it will start in the morning really nice and toasty. So on this 2-liter Toyota Corolla 2019, I think it's the same thing as 2020 up to 2022, 2-liter, anything with a 2-liter. This insert right here, it goes right here. All right, let's get started. All right, so first thing you do, I took out this 8 push pin retainer, so take this out. There's about 4 10mm bolts right here. Take this out. So now you have room, access right there. That's the hole. All right, I got the light right there, so that's a hole right there that we're gonna install. All right, so this a retainer right here. This goes on the inside of the engine, because this will hook into the housing of that block of that engine. So it has to be on this side. All right, so I took this thing out because it's hard to reach with this cord. So let's install the cord right now. Okay, like that. And then this side right here has to be facing on the engine side, not like that. It goes like this. Okay, I gotta take out this bolt right here. This is a 10mm bolt, so we could move this wire out because it's hitting the back end of the wire. All right, so let's move that wire on the side, and then we'll feed this block heater in here on the hole. Make sure to get that retainer on the right, on the driver's side. All right, we're gonna push this in, and then when it pushed in, it will lock in place. You will hear a click. There. All right, see that retainer on the right? This one right here has to be hooked into the block of the engine right there. Because if you don't click that in there, if you don't make it click, it's loose, it will come out. So this is good. It's all nice and tight in there. If you pull the wire, it's not gonna come out. All right, so that's it. That's how you install that heater in there. And then now we're just gonna feed the wire out of the bumper somewhere, maybe here. Yeah, so all right, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do that off camera. Those are boring stuff, but on the 2-liter Corolla right there, that's where the block heater goes in. I know there's not much of a video out there on YouTube, but thanks for this Moet guy right here. I don't know if he wants to be in the video, but this is his car. Nice car. I like this car, good in gas. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys again on our next one. Like